Imagine a velvety and smooth chocolate sauce that transforms every dessert into a moment of pure indulgence. That is silky ganache. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to create a ganache that is irresistibly smooth and rich. Let's dive in and discover how to make it as silky as a dream. You will need some good quality chocolate. Make sure there is no coating on top, and this chocolate needs to stay in certain percentage. I prefer using 75% dark chocolate, but I wouldn't go lower than 60. You also need 2 cups of whipping cream. Pour your whipping cream into a saucepan in medium heat. Wait until it's shimmering, but make sure it's not boiling. Be patient and don't walk away. When it starts bubbling on the side, the whipping cream should be about 40 degrees. Then you can turn the heat off. Make sure it's not boiling. And pour your whipping cream over the chocolate and let the heat of the cream melt it. And cover it. Make sure you are not using a towel because you want to lock in the hot air. Cover it for about 10 minutes. Then use a spatula to combine it. Don't use the whisk. We are not trying to incorporate air into the ganache. Now comes to the magic. Stir it together quickly, starting in the center and working outward. You will see it transform into this gorgeous, glossy ganache. Don't go yet. I'm about to show you how to turn average ganache into silky ganache. It's using the Immersion Blender to blend it in low speed. This is a vital step. Then it will turn into the most silky and rich ganache. Make sure you blend the side and the bottom as well. That's where chocolates love to hide. To make sure there is no lump and perfectly smooth, we need to blend it pretty slowly so it won't incorporate too much air. If you need the cake to be very sturdy, I will always choose ganache over buttercream. In the summer, I will change the ratio to 1 to 2 parts to cover the cake. That means it's 1 part of cream and 2 parts of chocolate. You can use this right away to drizzle it over your dessert. I like to leave it overnight to let it thicken, so I can use it to cover cake or use it as filling. If you need to, you can store the ganache in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. If you want to store it for longer, you can transfer it into an airtight container and pop it into the freezer. When your ganache hardens, you just need to defrost it in the microwave in a very low heat. Just before giving you some tips on how to avoid the ganache split, I will also show you how to quickly clean the blender. You just need to add some hot water and press it in about medium to high speed to clean it. Look how much this looks like a cup of hot chocolate. So how can we avoid the ganache split? It splits mostly because you are overheating the chocolate. That's why in Delicate Cake Studio, we heat the cream in a pan then put it over the chocolate, instead of melting the chocolate directly. The second way to avoid the ganache split is by chopping your chocolate finely. If your chocolate melts quicker, there is less chance you will overheating your chocolate. And there you have it, a beautiful velvety ganache in just a few minutes. Whether you are drizzling it or spreading it, this ganache will definitely take your dessert to the next level. Let me know if you have got any questions. I will try my very best to answer them all. I will see you in my next video. Bye!